Maison Saint Leger by Minuit Architects in Saint-Leger-SOUS-BEUVRAY, France. The project takes place in an ancient farmhouse located in the Morvan region, partially renovated 20 years ago. The intervention consists of restoring a second part of the existing building, while both preserving the authenticity of the old building and being consistent with the first contemporary intervention. The starting point is the creation of a new floor. Conceived as a grid, the structure hosts the composite floors and integrates the electricity grid as well as a hanging net, luminaires, sliding doors, railings, and suspended shelves. Galvanized steel has been chosen for visual lightness and structural efficiency, and was associated with the warmness of the Okoume. Another side of the intervention consists of opening wide doors and windows, made up with diverse technical systems. Folding doors opening onto the suspended terrace, galvanized steel porte-cochere. Inside, the space is divided into two main volumes. The first accommodates the bedrooms and bathrooms, and the second, in negative, offers a generous living space where the old building is revealed.